Utilizing a common product from daily life is actually one of the safest and least expensive ways to clean the house. The salt is a product that is safe, harmless, and useful for a variety of domestic tasks. The salt can be used for cleaning and disinfecting the house in addition to its main use. There is no reason not to use this cleaning approach because it is affordable and readily available, and to quit using conventional cleaning solutions that are toxic, hazardous, and full of chemicals. Following are 9 salt benefits in daily life. 1. Rejuvenates the skin. Salt can be used even for beauty care treatments. You can make your natural body scrub that rejuvenates the skin. For this treatment you can mix olive oil or lavender oil and salt. Apply the mixture on the body and leave it on for a few minutes. Wash it off with not very hot water. It will gently exfoliate the skin, making it look so much younger and softer. 2. It prevents spreading of ants. Sprinkling some salt on the entry areas from where the ants may enter and invade your home. This will stop them from spreading all around your home. It will also protect you from humidity and moisture. 3. Removes toothache. Make your natural and very effective mouthwash with warm water and salt and wash your mouth if you suffer from toothache and mouth sores. It's great for treating these issues and shows excellent results. 4. For whitening your teeth and oral health. Make mixture of baking soda and salt in equal quantities. Brush your teeth with the mixture for whiter and shinier teeth. Since it's completely natural product, you can use it as much as you want. 5. Clean all the house and car windows. To make this cleaning product, mix couple of tablespoons salt in 1 gallon tepid water. You can clean and polish all your windows with the solution and it will remove all the stains from them. You can even clean your car windows. Using this homemade product will keep the windows clean for longer time than commercial products. 6. Improves the process of washing your clothes. Stop the shrinking of your clothes by adding salt to the last wash. This is very effective solution for cleaner and softer clothes, especially if you dry your clothes outside. 7. Polish your brass, copper, and silver decorations and ornaments. Mix apple cider vinegar and salt for making your natural homemade polisher. With this polisher you can clean your silver, brass, and copper decorations. These decorations need cleaning from time to time because they lose the color and the shine. All you need to do is rub the surface and it will remove all the stains and they will become shiny once again. 8. Clean your sink drains and make them shine. Use a mixture of salt and hot water to clean your kitchen and bathroom drains. It will dissolve all the grease and it will remove the awful smell that spreads from clogged drains. 9. Revive the color of the curtains and rugs. You can make your homemade natural product for cleaning your rugs and curtains. With this solution you can make them look new with bright colors. The results are noticeable just after 1 wash. Make concentrated salt water and wash the carpets, rug and curtains with cloth. It can remove dirt and stains that cannot be removed in any other way. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.